it should be the most costly capsule apartment in the world, more important than Tokyo's. How hard it is to enter a good primary school in Beijing. You need a house in a school district house. Let me show you how much a house of 5 square kilometers is. It may change your cognition of house. Let's go. This is a standard Beijing hutong. What is this character? Narrow, no parking. The quadrangle is divided into many rooms. Numerous electricity meters. Long johns. It's not hard because it's just hung there. Is it here? No. It's so narrow. Where should I park if I buy here? Here, take this mic or you can't hear later. Okay. Hello? Anybody home? There's one person. There is. Could I see the house? Could I get inside? It's so small. How many square meters? About 5 square meters. 1 AC for this place? Yeah. They built the second floor themselves? Yeah. Let me take a look. I need to take a look up there. It's a small iron frame. The second floor. 5.3 square meters. I used to think 5.3 too small to think the walls are counted in. It's 5.3 with walls. Yeah, so it's just 3 kilometers. No toilet here. There is a sewer pipe, but no toilet. So they'll use the lavatory. Yeah, the lavatory. Bro, in the red coat, how much is it? 2.45 million. Price shown on app. Yeah, they charge for the land use included. It's almost 500,000 per square meter. But the total price is low relatively. It changed my cognition, guys. 500,000 for 1 square kilometer. Wow. I expected it would be small, but I did not expect it to be so small. Nothing at all expect for an iron frame. Alas, it may be surprising because there's no way to live at. But it is no surprising anyway, because you just spent more than 2 million to get a stepping stone. Well, you spent more than 2 million on such a stepping stone for a child.